Hi, I'm Nath.
And I'm Sarah, and we're from the Wood Project. We're based in Hastings on the Mornington Peninsula. So at the Wood Project, the unique part of our business is that we take a tree that would have otherwise needed to be chipped or added to landfill, and we turn it into a product. So it's a fully recyclable project.
We get our logs from local tree removal groups, schools, councils, farmers, and the beauty of it is we salvage 80 to 90% of our logs right here on the peninsula as well.
The type of furniture we create are dining tables, outdoor tables, bar tops, vanities, basically anything that the customer wants that is mostly formed from that beautiful timber slab.
So when the logs come back to our yard, we quickly identify what they're going to be used for. If the log is not suitable for milling for furniture or post and rail fencing, we will then usually cut it up for firewood. Even our sawdust is all recycled.
I think it's important for people to know the process involved in what we do is really quite huge. It's not a log one day and then a piece of furniture the next.
Our drying process, generally straight off the sawmill, it's racked out with the space between each slab of timber, and then they sit like that for about 8 to 9 months air drying, and then the last 4 weeks they'll finish the drying process in the kiln to get down to the optimum moisture content. The feature in every piece of furniture we make is different.
So there's a story behind that dining table that you can't get if you buy it from a big retailer. The future of the Wood Project would be to grow it bigger and bigger and bigger.
We want to do something special, something where we're not rivaled.
When I look around, I feel proud that every single slab standing here or every single product that is sitting there would have not existed without the Wood Project. It would have been a log that was chipped away or sent to a burn pile, and today it's something.